Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, still an affiliate of the Unholy Alliance, in which the Big Blue Blob... Oh yeah, this is Stellaris, by the way. We're playing Stellaris. The Big Blue Blob is, they're not blobbing. Now, they are up against the Habsburgs, and when has that ever been a good thing, right? But we'll see what happens there. The Habsburgs are, as it turns out, 16 points away from accepting an invite into our little alliance, and the Brits are in fact still at war. I don't know. No idea how that's gonna work out. We're still in management mode here. I'm thinking it's time to do everything. It is just time to do everything. It's time to settle a couple of interesting places in order to get access to some stuff that I'm really kind of curious about. Ooh, a 21 size Arctic world. That is awfully nice. And might allow us to get rid of this frontier outpost. Getting rid of frontier outposts is always nice, right? Right. But there's always this Arctic world up here as well. Each of them gets rid of a frontier outpost, so maybe both of them are really good. And they're Arctic worlds, which allows us to get... We currently have some Arctic types on one of our ocean worlds, and so they're kind of happy, but they're not really happy. You know. They're never going to be more happy than about 65 on this planet. But what are you going to do, right? Right. So I guess we just let stuff continue. Here we are. While conducting surface scans of Kaid 2, Science Officer Giovanni Priuli and the crew of the Calliope discovered what appears to be an artificially carved slab of rock covered in alien writing. Okay, so it's a mural. Issues special project translate alien mural. Where is this again?
Situation log updated.
I'm not actually sure which... Oh, over here. Yeah, do it. Yeah, fine. Research that. Now it's gonna take a little bit of time for our research stuff, but yeah, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Construction complete.
And all of a sudden, we're not losing money. Thank you, solar plants. Or solar, whatever it was. The spaceport things. Yeah, them things. Yeah, we built spaceport,
complete.
solar power networks. That's right. Ooh, research complete. That's right. Cruisers. Yes. Yes. Crystal forged plating. We might do that. I've heard really good things about crystal forged plating. Plus 100 ship hull points. It's not bad. Okay. Ooh, so many good things here. Okay, so here we go. Basic fighter wing. Give me a second. Let's get the ship designer out. New design. Cruiser. Let's see what they look like. Do we have huge slots? Yes, we do have huge slots. Okay. So here's the question. What do we want to do with what we have? And what I mean is this. We could go up to battleships, and it would take a little while. We could get cruiser assembly yards. Not bad. Yeah, which would lower cruiser build cost and stuff like that. Or we could get fighter wings. And I've heard good things about like fighter and bomber wings in terms of yeah. I guess they were fixed in this latest patch, so I'm really not. I've never actually played with them. I'll be completely honest. I've never actually played with them. Let's do it. It's actually the quickest one. No, it's not. Actually, crystal forged plating is the quickest one. Let's do that. That's pretty awesome. Crystal forged plating is going to be good. Oh yeah, extra ship hull points on our on our corvettes and stuff. Imagine that. That would be amazing. Let's do that. Let's do that! How long is that going to take? 22 months. Not bad. We, of course, need more science, because we need more everything. Ooh, Cassini. Lazy Cassini. Why don't you, Cassini. Hey, come on over here. Survey system. Survey system. Survey system. No, there. That one. Do that. Okay, that'll keep you busy for a little while.
System survey complete.
Okay, Zamaton. Okay, Schiaparelli. You. Survey system. Survey system. Survey system. Okay. We're just gonna clean up this area. We're gonna figure out everything that's in this area. It's gonna be great. And, oh man, so many things we gotta go colonize. Ocean, ocean, ocean. Okay, those are all ocean worlds. Alright.
Construction complete.
We could just build a colony ship right now. Oh, you know what we're gonna do instead? Just for fun. Just for fun. Let's set up a cruiser design. One thing I'm gonna do. This one's gonna be a lot of smalls. Oh, hang on. Okay, this one's gonna be a lot of smalls. Because it's basically just gonna sit there. That's a pretty cool looking boat. That is a nice boat. I like that boat. I look forward to other designs of my cruisers. I love. Yeah, I'm gonna get really fun with my cruisers. So what we're gonna do, Sentinel Point Defense. It's pretty much what it's just gonna be. Just a crap ton of point defense. What are we gonna do on top of that? What do you think? Space torpedoes? Probably. No. Blue laser? What takes not that much energy? You're really just there. This is basically just a giant point defense boat. That's really all it is. One of the things I like about this bigger ships is that the little... I don't like having the guns just sticking out and being all big and... I don't know. I like sleek designs. So, okay. What are we gonna do? I think this is gonna be a close-in fighter. It's gonna furball like crazy. We might as well just... Actually, hang on. I'm trying to see... Okay, power usage 15. Power usage 10. Okay, blue lasers it is. Yeah, and then let's get some cold fusion going, just to, you know, get some cold fusion going. Let's get some good shields in. Let's get a little bit of armor. And then it looks like we need another cold fusion. No, not a large. How about a fission reactor instead? There we go. This may not be the best thing ever, and I don't know how much having like your shield placement. Is there an issue that I don't have any shields in the middle? I don't know. I don't know what that actually does. But you know what? That looks like a reasonable little ship. It's going to be just a giant point defense pile, complete with, you know, some other stuff. It'll get in close. Yeah, and we'll do that. PD cruiser. Save. Okay. You know what else we're gonna do? We're gonna do a new design. Cruiser. Let's get some more medium stuff though. Medium and large. Yeah. It's gonna be a bruiser. This is a different looking kind of boat. It's gonna do something else. Let's have space torpedoes. It's just gonna be torpedo boat. Yup. There it is. And then, I don't even think it needs the, because these have 100% accuracy. So I don't know that they need, like, the extra gravitic sensors, but whatever, we're gonna keep it anyway. Then we just add some shields. Add some cold fusion. Maybe there. Yeah. And then add a little armor. Okay. And then we'll edit that as the new armor comes out. When that new special armor with the extra plating comes out, yeah, we'll throw that on everything. Okay, so then this is going to be Torpedo Cruiser. And it's just going to hang back. And the ship will stay in formation and fire at nearby threats. I don't really believe that, but it's going to hang back and just fire torpedoes. Save. And now, do we want... I don't know that we actually want what I'm about to design, but I'm going to make it anyway. M. Oh, hang on. Actually, hang on. Torpedo Cruiser. Do I want that instead? So I put a large on instead of the medium, and then do space torpedoes. Minus 60. Oh, right, because I didn't replace what I was supposed to replace, namely cold fusion. Nope, cold fusion. No, fusion. There we go. And then just armor. Okay, there we go. Just a lot of large torpedo stuff. Now, what that really means is that they're gonna fire from far away, from further away, which is fine. Now, I'm not sure that that's actually good, but it's where I'm gonna go. And then, what is this? Chimera? This is the automatic one. I don't know that I want that. First off, I think I'm gonna actually just trash this. Delete that design. For one thing, it's just I don't like the name. I don't know what it is. Okay, and then let's just have an energy weapon. Medium? Yeah. And then 2 medium, 2 small. And then let's go to 2 small. It's gonna be all red or blue lasers. No, or disruptors? Range 20, range 15. Ooh. This is gonna be crazy sauce. This is gonna be a bunch of disruptors. And the reason it's crazy sauce is because these use up a ton of energy, a ton of power. Yeah, and then so we're gonna have to deal with that. Let's just put on the shields that we want. And then let's deal with the cold fusion as needed. And then, like, 1 thing of armor. Yay! Look, it's armor, guys. Right there in the back. Let's armor your butt. Okay, cool. Now, is this going to be defensive? Yeah, sure. No, nah. Furball. Go to it. Disruptor Cruiser. I don't even actually know that we need that, but I want it, so it's there. So, okay, there we go. Now, the thing I'm probably going to focus on first is the PD Cruisers. Not the PT Cruisers. No. That'd be weird. Go to Murano. Oh, you're busy. Let's go to Venezia. Build. And they're expensive. Yep. Okay. We're not going to be building any PD Cruisers anytime soon. How's that sound? Okay. I love designing ships. Just in general, I just love, like, I just love ships that look cool, and making them look cool, and then putting stuff on them.
Complete.
It's just so much fun. Rano's finished surface construction. What are you doing now?
Special project complete.
Okay, Science Officer Giovanni Priuli has managed to partially translate the alien mural discovered on Kaid 2? Whatever. The text contains a staggering amount of data. It's a low-tech library. The collected technological knowledge of an ancient civilization that dominated this region of the galaxy some 80 million years ago. A lot of it is already known to us, but the data does contain several promising leads for technologies we had yet to consider. And so, basically, we get +2 to each science on that spot. Not we don't get that, but it is discovered that there's a lot of technology there. Now, are we going to be able to pick this up if we just settle things? No. We're going to have to stick a... this will require its own frontier outpost, actually. That's interesting. Science ship, Galilei. Okay, so you're done. Go... What are my other science ships doing? You're going there. You're going there. You go here. Survey system. Survey system. Yes. Do that. Oh, Murano. What are you doing?
Construction complete.
Are we on food? Good enough. It is time, then, to upgrade some things. Oh, including... Yeah, planetary capital. Let's do it. I think... Yes. And then let's get some... upgrade here. Let's go with engineering facility. Yes. And then can we upgrade you? Yes, go with physics. Physics lab 1. Okay. Oh yeah. And then let's get us some mining networks. Because, you know, more mining. Always good, right? No, really, it's always good, right? Mining network 2. Hey, how's Venezia? How you doing? Do you have that thing done yet? No, you don't. Not even close. And by that thing, I mean the Galactic Stock Exchange. Oh, so good. Gonna be awesome. Let's get some more science. Physics Lab 2. No, let's get some more mining network. Okay. And now that we've completely blown through all of our resources, and by resources I mean minerals. But don't worry, a lot of it's actually going to be getting us even more minerals, so not bad. Can't argue with that. DePonto, what are you up to? Let's clear this out for you. How's your food? Ooh, yeah. You're gonna want some food. Hydroponics Farm 1. Okay, cool. Naxos. Oh. You have a lot of science, Naxos. Where's Naxos again? Right there, okay. How's your food? -1. I know. Let's farm something, like, ever. Here we go. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. Oh, you're unhappy. Oh, why are you unhappy? Solitary. Leadership primary species only. You know what? We're working on that. We are working on that. Also, yeah, his ethics divergence is negative, so he'll come to our spiritualist way of looking at things eventually. Eventually. First Fleet, come on down. You are, in fact, the next contestant on something something. And then let's get a cruiser going. Merge. Merge up. There we go. Then cruiser, Murano. It's always you, Murano. You're like my workhorse. Can we do a cruiser?
Construction
Not
complete.
yet. Requires a level 5 spaceport. That's right. Let's do that right now. Construction. Nexus. Excellent.
Construction complete.
Okay, Noxus is good. We're gonna have more folks here soon, though. So let's build some more farms. Or do I want a frontier clinic? I say we go farms for now. That is what I'm gonna do. Hydroponics farm 1. Okay. Venezia. What do you got? Did you do what I think you did? Yes! Look at this! Galactic Stock Exchange. It's divergence minus 40. Oh wow, I never noticed that before. So, maintenance, 2 credits. But, Empire modifier, yeah. Energy credits plus 10%. We'll see what happens with that. Actually, I wonder where it is illustrated. Nope, not there yet. Okay. I think next month? Come on.
System survey complete.
Cool, we'll check that out in a sec. Okay, next month. Power Hub Thrifty Individualist. Okay. No. Where's that shown? Or is it just the fact... Is it already being taken into account? Produced. Gained from planets. That's not really helping. Module production. Guys! Where is my... Where does it say that I'm getting that kind of money? I didn't realize that plus 10% energy production wasn't actually going to be that huge a deal. I kind of figured it would be a big deal. I don't see a big deal. I don't see a big deal. So here's the question. Is it time to settle up here in Zeobir? I think it may be. But I like our science. So the reason that I'm refraining from settling so much is because it's just really ripping on our science. The more people you have, and in this new patch, the more planets you occupy, the longer your science takes. It actually adds to the amount of, like, the amount of points that's required. Sorry, coffee time. So, I don't really want to settle too much. Oh, it's not a great system. It's okay. They can't all be amazing, right? I mean, they could be, but they aren't all going to be amazing. How's that? Inactive buildings. Yes, because someone moved. Okay, fine. Is there someone who's unemployed? Yes. Why don't you just go there? Oh, I can upgrade you. Ooh, Physics Lab 2? Physics is alright. It's okay. Physics Lab 2, don't mind if I do. You got another Physics Lab. Okay. What do you got? A lot of physics! What's up with the physics? Let's go Biolab. Here we go. And then you? More physics. Huh. That's no fun. That's no fun at all. How's the science here? 20 physics from this... Wow. 20 physics from this planet alone.
Construction complete.
Oh boy. Lepanto. What are you doing? You're moving to Spalato.
Construction complete.
Where's Spalato again? Okay, it doesn't really matter. Let's clear this out. Oh, it's already in construction queue. Okay, let's clear this out. It's already a construction project queued for this tile. Okay, I guess we already queued that up. Spaceport of Murano. Oh, the Spaceport of Murano. What did you just do? Oh yeah, you're a level 5 now. Nice. And now, can we build a cruiser? No, we can't. We're 217
Construction
short.
complete.
We're 141 short now. Come on, get us a cruiser.
System survey
Get
complete.
us a cruiser. There we go. PD cruiser incoming, 240 days away. The Ottomans have declared the Iroquois consciousness as their rival. Oh, Ottomans. Oh, whoa, look at Finland. Look at the blob. The blob is real. Holy crap. They're superior. Wow. Their fleet power. The Finland is superior to me. Ugh. Well, we're about to build a cruiser. Hopefully that'll help. Science ship. What do we got? Oh, do this. You're level 5, yeah? 17%. Holy crap. What's your problem? Do it. We'll see what happens. So, yeah, but we will see what happens next time. We have 0 minerals. We have 0 minerals because we just purchased our first cruiser. Our first cruiser is underway. It's going to be a little while, but it'll happen. We are surveying this area over here, seeing where we want to settle. It's going to be over here. It's going to be this little trio of worlds. Make it these 4. Yeah. That's going to be nice. That's going to be nice. But first things first, I think we gotta end the episode. I'm sorry, gotta end the episode. So I'm gonna end it on that note. Our first cruiser is on the way. We are developing our planets very, very nicely, I think. Corfu. Corfu is gonna be sciencey like crazy. There's a lot of physics coming out of here. We're gonna have to kind of skew that a different direction, if at all possible, but we'll get on that. We'll get on that. Yeah, I think we're doing pretty okay. Oh, Lido. Hey, how are you doing? You're not growing very quickly. Yeah, Lido's going to be interesting, and then we're not going to clear too many more tile blockers because the Krabnar are actually filling in, so yeah. I really want to start uplifting these guys. I want them on my side, but when they become on my side, they will be able to be leaders in our little area. But again, that'll all have to happen next time. Until then, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do in fact look forward to seeing you next time.